How to fix protected content cannot be viewed on this device. What's up everyone? If you guys have been getting some message like this, then I'm going to show you guys how you can exactly fix this problem. Let's get started. So if your device is showing this problem while you're trying to mirror your screen or cast your screen to another device, then I'm going to show you how you can fix that exactly. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your control panel, and from here you can go ahead and click on Network and Sharing Center. Now check on Change Adapter Settings. So once you click on it, make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled. So right here, if you see a disable button, that means your Wi-Fi is enabled. So you can even check it from this right here. You can click on your Wi-Fi menu and make sure that you're connected to your internet. The second thing that you can do is check if there is Connect app on your PC downloaded or not. So just check for Connect app. But if it's not downloaded, you can download it from your browser. And the other thing that you can check is your hardware requires Miracast. Your hardware needs to support Miracast in order to mirror your display or cast your display on another device. So let's see how you can check that. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open your run dialog box. And once your run dialog box is open, you want to type in DXDIAG. So once you type in this command, click on OK, and it will open up your DirectX diagnostic tool. And all you have to do here is you will see all of your system information right here. All you have to do is just click on Save All Information. Now choose your destination and click on Save. Once you do that, you can exit this and your DXDIAZ file will be available wherever you have saved it. Right now I've saved it on my desktop. Now you just have to double click on it to open this file. And now you just have to scroll down until you see Miracast right here. So it's right now available on my device with HDCP. So that means I can easily connect my device to other wireless networks. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.